How to withdraw money from Venmo to your bank account. First, open the Venmo app on your phone and make sure you're logged in into your account. Once you are in, tap the Me tab at the bottom right corner. This brings you to your personal profile where you can see your Venmo balance. If you have money available, you'll see a button labeled add or transfer right beneath your balance. Tap on that. Now go ahead and type in the amount you want to transfer to your bank account. You can transfer all or just a portion of your balance. Next, you'll be asked to choose a transfer speed. Select instant if you need the money right away. Venmo will charge a small fee for this, or go with 1 to 3 business days if you're okay waiting a bit and want to avoid the fee. After choosing your transfer method, select the bank account you want to move the money to. If you haven't added one yet, Venmo will guide you through a link in your bank account. Once everything looks right, tap transfer and your money will be on its way. Just wait for the confirmation and you're done. One more clear and simple tutorials like this one, like, follow, and share to stay updated with the helpful how-tos.